Hello and welcome to Newberry Fire Department. We're excited to kick off Fire Prevention Week, October 4th through the 10th, with NFPA National Fire Protection Association's 2020 theme, Serving Up Fire Safety in the Kitchen. This year we want to make sure we focus on kitchen safety. Parents and kids alike, you can help us do this. Several key pointers. One, make sure you have a working smoke alarm in your house. This is never a better time to check your working smoke alarm and make sure it has a fresh battery and is working properly. Two, make sure you have a fire extinguisher in your home that you can use in case of emergency. Know how to use it and it is ready and serviceable to be used. Several recipes for your kitchen for fire safety. One, make sure you have your cooking mitts and a pot pan lid cover close by in case you have to have it to smother a flaming fire. Make sure that your handles are turned inward and your stove is turned off when you get ready to leave the room. Never have a stove unattended. We at Newberry Fire Department do not want to respond to your house of a stove fire. We want you to help us prevent that measure. So this year, focus on fire safety in the kitchen. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate contacting your local fire department or here in Newberry City Fire Department. We appreciate your time. Remember, stay fire safe, serving up fire safety in the kitchen.